Your IT closet is a crime scene. Fix it with the Tecmojo 18U wall rack before it overheats. Let's be real. Your network setup looks more like spaghetti night at a tech graveyard. Tangled cables, overheating switches, and a rat's nest of routers shoved into a closet you hope no client ever sees? Been there. Whether you're DIYing your home lab or cobbling together a semi-pro server setup, that mess is draining your time, patience, and, let's be honest, your dignity. Your gear deserves a throne, not a tangle dungeon. So, if your inner IT gremlin is screaming for help, we've got a cure that won't make you cry into your Cat 6. Sure, you could keep Frankensteining your setup, but let's talk real consequences. Uncooled gear throws tantrums. Missing deadlines cause your router decided to nap mid-upload? Stress levels rising like your network temps? Burnout isn't just for motors, it's your brain trying to manage the chaos without a reliable rack. You might not notice it now, but missed opportunities, late-night reboots, and ugly surprises lurk in the shadows of every janky setup. And let's face it, no one ever bragged about zip-tying their switch to a broomstick. Meet the Tecmojo 18U wall mount rack cabinet, your gear's new penthouse suite. This bad boy is crafted from heavy-duty cold-rolled steel, supports 110 pounds of pure IT muscle, and comes with lockable glass doors so no one messes with your cables, not even your cat. Its built-in cooling fan kicks airflow into high gear, keeping your setup chill under pressure. With PCI and HIPAA compliance, adjustable rails, numbered U positions, and clean cable access points, this isn't just a rack. It's an efficiency machine disguised as eye candy for your server room wall. You're getting premium airflow, security that actually locks, space for serious gear, and mounting flexibility that feels made to order. Bonus? Setup is easier than pretending you enjoy patching cables without labels. Whether you're tricking out a home office or finally giving your clients a professional-grade data zone, the Tecmojo 18U makes your setup cleaner, cooler, and 110% more legit. Don't let weak racks sabotage strong ideas. Hit the link below to check it out, compare specs, and give your gear a place worthy of its bandwidth. Don't wait until your modem melts or your switch takes its final wheeze. Join thousands of savvy techs who've leveled up their network game with Tecmojo. We're talking 5-star reviews, rave DIY Reddit threads, and serious cooling clout. Inventory's tighter than a cable tie in July, so act fast. Click now, lock it down, and finally stop babying your tech with Band-Aid setups. This is your moment to shine, and secure, like a true network ninja. Seize your Tecmojo 18U today, and flex the clean setup with zero regrets.